Hi, you guys. Welcome to my diary of a single woman homeowner. Let's start with mowing the lawn, shall we? All right, first off, this is my backyard. I have a garden and I have a lot of trees, so the grass isn't completely green everywhere. So it's it doesn't always look like it's mowed, but you can kind of tell when it's high weeds and things of that nature. So I'm just going to mow the back and I'm going to mow the front of my yard. All right, you guys. So, yes, I bought this house with a huge yard so I could be able to do gardening and be able to do a lot of stuff in it. But, baby, let me tell you something. Mowing it is fun and it's hard work. So, why don't you guys just sit back and watch how I have to dig through my crap to get this lawnmower out and get started on this yard. Yeah. Okay, and of course, we got to make sure that there's gasoline to run the lawnmower, and gotta make sure the gasoline isn't all watery. You know how I be sitting up in the garage for a while, and so and gotta make sure the flies stay up off of me and get up off of me. See if this bad boy will crank. Let's see what it do. Who? And yeah. Yes, ma'am. We got it. Now let's go. Okay, so look at your girl putting in that work. And look at all that forest. Yes, I decided I want all that. Yes, all that's my land. Hey. But yeah, let's get back to this lawn mowing, right? Okay, so I love nature and all its creatures, but stay away from me, okay? I mean, I understand the yard needs butterflies, bees, and all the pollinators so they can help me grow some awesome vegetables and fruits. But baby, please stay in your lane. That's all I'm trying to say. You see me out here working, sweating, trying to get this yard looking like somebody cares about where they live, and y'all over here bothering me. Boy, this is the life. Okay, so sometimes it gets a little rough, it gets tiring. And sometimes my sister calls me and I need to take a little breakity break, have a little conversation to talk about whatever's going on in life. I get back to it when I get back to it. And here I go. Yeah, gotta aim for the top like hold up. Yeah, I can never doubt myself, I know better. All of you critics be acting like you know better. Blowing the smoke, but I know when the dust settles. So I'm in my element. Alright, so let me tell you a little bit about my yard. I have a little under an acre and I live out in rural area that has a septic tank and well water, no sidewalks and no street lights. I got this yard because I like working out in the yard. I like having a garden. I like to be able to play outside with my children and my dog. And I just like to be able to relax in nature. It was a big plus for me, even though it is a lot, of course. But I still love it. And when I finally get it looking very nice, it's always a celebration. Hey. But this is only just the backyard. We'll start on the front on another day. And this is of course right before I fence in my yard, which I will be pulling up the video for that. All right, so here we are the next day. I got my son and I got my best friend outside with me to try to help get the front yard looking nicely. We decided to get the weed eater out so while he does a little mowing. You see that sun is on your girl, okay? That Florida heat does not play. But at the same time, I always want to be able to have a nice looking yard, and that's what I'm going to do. And yes, I could probably get
some lawn workers or something like that. But yeah, girl is not in the money like that. You feel me? So I gotta do what I gotta do when I gotta do it. All right. All right, you see me trying to do these edges, trying to look all professional. You know what I'm saying? And then what happens to you, girl? Yeah, the string gets stuck in the weed eater. So of course, you know, I got to do what I do because I don't need no help. I got this. I can put it back together myself. Shoot. After you've done it so many times, shoot, it's a piece of pound cake.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like a
All right, now I know you see them lines, okay? Look at that driveway looking all clean and stuff. I'm over here sweating, but I'm getting it done. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Bye.